In this video, we continue to work through the features of the sign-up form, and we'll start looking at the different types of question you can use, how to add them, and how to edit them. On the left-hand side of the sign-up form tab, you can see the different types of field available. The information field allows you to add your own text to the sign-up form, such as introductory notes, privacy notices, and so on. The text field allows you to add a free text question which applicants can answer in their own words. Date picker allows you to ask applicants to select a date, such as date of birth. Drop-down is a simple drop-down field where applicants can select one item from a list. Multiple choice is a drop-down field where applicants can select more than one item from a list. Preference fields are linked to any drop-down field already added and allow applicants to state preferences about their mentoring partner. The addition of preference fields is the method by which you can build your own matching algorithm. In this video, we'll focus on the first three types of field. In the following videos, we'll look at the other types. We'll start at the top with the information field. To add a field, click and drag the desired question type and drop it into the relevant section. In this example, I've dropped an information field into an empty section entitled Welcome to our program. When the field is added, the edit options will automatically display. At the top of the edit panel, we have the preview, which shows the question text as it will appear on the sign-up form. Below this, we have the text entry box and formatting options. Just type or paste text into the box, and you can then use the formatting tools to format the text as required. Note that if you select text, you can then use the link icon to add a hyperlink to an email address or web page. When you've finished, click the X button to hide the edit options. Next, we'll add a date picker field. Again, click and drag into the relevant section and then type your question text into the field name box. Now you have some different edit options. The first is a toggle that allows you to make the field required. Required fields are indicated on the sign-up form with a red asterisk, and applicants can't submit their sign-up form if any of the required fields are blank. The next new option is a toggle that allows you to make a field an admin-only field. This means that the field will not display on the online sign-up form, but will display in the member profile and can be updated by admin users. This may be useful for any office-only information that you want to add to member profiles, such as whether the member has completed mandatory training. We then have tick box options that allow you to restrict the field so that it only displays on the online sign-up form to the selected member type or types. For example, if you have a field which is only relevant to mentors, then select mentors and deselect mentees. When the applicant selects their member type at the top of the form will dynamically change to display the relevant fields. Once changes have auto-saved, click the X button to hide the edit options. Next, we'll add a text field, which allows applicants to answer a question in their own words. Again, click and drag into the relevant section of your form. Don't worry too much if it drops into the wrong position. Fields can easily be moved, and we'll show you how to do that later. You have the same edit options as in the date picker field, but an additional option here is a toggle for multi-line responses. If you want to allow longer free text responses, toggle this to multi-line. That's the first three field types. In the next video, we'll move on to look at how to add and configure drop-down fields.